नवाज की कोई लाइन थी जिसमें उसने कहना था कि वहां पर पानी गिरा हुआ है, पानी वहां गिरा हुआ है, लाइन ये है. So he just kept
He
getting
just
stuck
improved.
and he kept saying वहां पानी गिरा हुआ है. And Honey was like, no, वहां पानी नहीं गिरा, पानी वहां गिरा हुआ है, वहां पानी नहीं गिरा.
I really love the way you were silent in some things, and वो बहुत strong थी other than other dialogues as well. So I really want to ask you, what make this silence strong than other dialogues, and you keep focusing on such things. I see.
I think to quite an extent, I'm very firstly impressed that you noticed something so
Deep.
like, yeah, so deep, because Honey wanted to keep the silences very strong in this
Right.
film, in
Right.
his narrative. Even for Raat Akeli 1, I don't know if you saw the first one.
Yes.
Again, the silences played a very important part, and I
Important
think
part.
for a thriller, you have to have performances that fill in the voids. Your performance without dialogue, without doing too much, just looking, staring, or even like he used to always say that even a shift of your eyeball, there has to be a reason, and I want to see the intent before you do it. He's a very demanding director.
So true. So true.
Because he was like, यहाँ से अगर आपको नज़र यहाँ लेकर जानी है तो आप उसके पीछे कुछ सोचा होगा आपने कि यहाँ क्यों. So that means there has to be a thought.
Right.
And that thought has to then come on your face before you move your, gaze from here to here.
So true.
So that's the kind of detail he has written in the screenplay also. Yeah. So Smita, the writer, has also every comma, every pause is written. There is a rhythm to every line. Like Nawaz की कोई line थी जिसमें उसने कहना था कि वहाँ पर पानी गिरा हुआ है, पानी वहाँ गिरा हुआ है, line ये है. So he just kept getting stuck and he kept saying वहाँ पानी गिरा हुआ है. And Honey was like, no, वहाँ पानी नहीं गिरा, पानी वहाँ गिरा हुआ है, वहाँ पानी नहीं गिरा. So it was like, I'm just giving you one example, but he is somebody who is a writer himself. So he really respects the writing, and he respects कि अगर writer ने बैठकर इस rhythm में किसी scene को लिखा है या dialogue को लिखा है तो आप उस तरह से उसको बोलेंगे. And it makes a lot of sense. It feels restrictive in the beginning, but it's almost like एक discipline आप follow अगर करेंगे तो it improves your performance. So I